In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and export contacts from Omnisend. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save your contact list to your computer in just a few minutes. First, make sure you're logged into your Omnisend account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Omnisend dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can see your goals, campaigns, and overall performance. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct account, especially if you manage multiple stores or brands. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu. Move your mouse over the section labeled Audience. When you hover over it, a few options will appear underneath. From those options, click on Exports. This is where Omnisend keeps a history of all the contact exports you've created, and it's also where you'll start a new one. Once you're on the Exports page, look for a button that says New Export. It's usually toward the top of the page. Click on New Export to start setting up a new contact export file. Omnisend will now ask you what kind of data you want to export. Here, you'll see different options for what to include. For this tutorial, we're going to export everyone in your contact list. To do that, select the option that says All Contacts. This tells Omnisend that you want to download every contact currently stored in your audience, along with their details, into a single file. This is useful if you want a full backup, or if you plan to move your list to another platform. After choosing All Contacts, look for the button labeled Export and click it. At this stage, Omnisend starts preparing your export file in the background. Depending on how many contacts you have, this might take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Once the export is ready, you'll see it listed on the exports page with a download icon next to it. To finish the process, simply click on that download icon. Your contacts file, usually in CSV format, will be downloaded to your computer, typically into your default downloads folder. From there, you can open it in a spreadsheet program, store it as a backup, or import it into another tool as needed. And that's all you need to do to download and export contacts from Omnisend.